In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a dispute on Dhgate. Let's start at the very beginning. Open the Dhgate app or head to the website and sign in to your account. From there, go to My Orders. This is where you'll see every purchase tied to your account and where you'll manage any issues. Find the order that's giving you trouble and open its order details page. This page is important because it contains the buttons and information you'll need for the dispute process, including shipping updates and timestamps. Look for the option labeled Open Dispute or sometimes After Sales Service. Tap or click it to begin. If you don't see the option, it usually means the order isn't eligible yet or anymore. Double check that your order is still within the buyer protection period and that the current order status allows disputes. Next, choose the dispute reason that best fits your situation. Options include item not received, item damaged or defective, not as described, wrong item, or missing parts. Select the one that most accurately matches what happened. Accuracy matters here. Picking the wrong category can slow things down or lead to a rejection. You'll then select the solution you want. Refund only is a good choice if the item is unusable or never arrived. Return and refund can work if you're willing to send the item back. Partial refund makes sense if the product is usable but has issues. A helpful approach is to request a refund without return first. If the seller insists on a return, you can decide from there. Now upload your evidence. Clear photos are essential, and a short video clearly showing the problem is often the most convincing proof. You can also include a screenshot of the product listing, especially if something differs from what was advertised. The clearer your evidence, the higher your chance of success. Write a short, factual explanation of the issue, what you ordered, what you received, and what outcome you're requesting, then submit the dispute. The seller will be notified right away. Be ready to communicate. The seller may respond with an offer. You can accept, reject, or make a counteroffer. Keep everything polite and documented, and don't close the dispute unless you're fully satisfied with the resolution. If the seller doesn't respond or rejects your claim unfairly, escalate to Dhgate. Their team will review your case and make a decision, typically within 3-7 days. Once approved, your refund will go back to your original payment method. PayPal usually takes 3 to 5 business days, while card refunds can take 5 to 15 business days depending on your bank. That's the full process to open and win a dispute on Dhgate.